Okay, so in this problem, a bakery has 5 chocolate, 7 blueberry, and 4 banana muffins. In how many ways can you select 4 muffins if your selection must include at least one banana? Okay, we have to understand na meron tayong 5 chocolate, 7 blueberries, and 4 muffins. Okay, we can select 4 muffins, but we have to understand that there must be at least one banana. Okay, so the total muffins would be 5 chocolate, 7 blueberry, and 4 muffins or banana muffins. Okay, and that is equal to 16, right? So the total ways to choose any four is how many of them? We have 16, and then we're gonna choose 4. Okay, so when you solve that, 16 choose 4, that is equal to 16 times 15 times 14 times 13. In the denominator, we have 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Again, we get to simplify them. That is equal to 43,680 divided by 24, and that is 1,820. Now, we have to find out the muffins without banana. So, the muffins here without banana is the 5 chocolate and the 7 blueberry. So, when we add them, that is 12. And then we're going to choose 4 of them, okay? Because here is the ways without banana, and the 12 choose 4, and that is equal to 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 divided by 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and that is equal to 1100 or 11,880 divided by 24. So when you simplify that, I think your answer would be 495. So the next thing or the last process that you need to do is from the general, here is the ways with at least one banana. What we're going to do here is to just subtract this particular result, the 1,820 minus 495, and that is equal to 1,325, and that is the final answer without at least one banana. Okay, so now we proceed to the next question. So a bakery has 3 chocolate, 8 blueberry, and 6 banana muffins. In how many ways can you select 3 muffins if your selection must include at least one blueberry? Okay, so again, we have the total muffins here: 3 chocolate, 8 blueberry, and 6 muffins. When we add them, that is equal to 17, right? The next thing that we need to do is to find the total ways of 17, which is the total. Choose how many? That is 3. Okay, so 3 flavors, and then 17. I mean 17. Choose 3. That is equal to 17 times 16 times 15. In the denominator, we have 3 times 2 times 1. So solving them will give us 4,800 or 4,080 divided by 6. Simplifying that, that is equal to 680. Now, what about muffins without the blueberry? So here we have the muffins without the blueberry. So we can have the chocolate, 3 chocolate, and then 6 banana muffins. And that is equal to 9. So we're going to choose ways with 0 blueberry. That is 9. Choose 3 muffins from the selection. So that is equal to 9 times 8 times 7 divided by 3 times 2 times 1. And that is going to be 504 divided by 6. And that is equal to 84. Okay, so what is the next step? The last thing that we need to do is to basically subtract the total 680 to with ways with 0 blueberries, which is 84. And that will result to 596. And the answer is 596. Now, if you really got the lesson or this particular problem, you can answer this particular solution. So a bakery has 10 chocolates, 5 blueberries, and 6 banana muffins. In how many ways can you select 3 muffins if your selection must include at least one chocolate? Okay, so I'm gonna give you, please feel free to pause this video if you really know the answer. You can solve it in your notebook. Okay, see you in our next lesson.